everyone, welcome to 30 Something Beauty. My name is Cassandra Thompson and I am your pretty darn normal 30 something who just absolutely loves makeup, making videos for other normal people here on YouTube. So welcome. Today we are talking Sephora Play. If you get Play, this box is very familiar to you. And I was super excited for February. They had done all these sneak peeks and talked about you get 2 lip products, and people were getting fresh sugar lip balms, which not like I don't have 5, but I love a fresh sugar lip balm. And they were getting NARS, and then I got my box. So let's go through it. But before we do, please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell if you want to know about more videos. And if you like subscription box unboxings, give it a thumbs up. So now that I've said those things, let's get into it. This is the little bag this time. As we know, I don't care about the bag. And the worst part about this to me, my perfume this month was Flower Bomb. Now, unlike Ipsy, on Sephora Play, you can't rate anything, so I have no way of letting them know. Please don't send me Flower Bomb. I think it's the worst fragrance ever made on the face of the earth. So, that'll be probably going to charity. I could give it in a giveaway. I mean, it's just a little perfume sample, but I feel bad spreading that in the world. You know what? It's just going in the trash. If I can get less Flower Bomb in the world, I feel like I've done my part for the day. Okay, so now that one's over, let's talk about my 2 lip products. Everyone was getting 2 lip products this month, and like I said, some people got fresh sugar, some people got NARS. I got not 1, but 2 Sephora brand lip things. Now, like, don't get me wrong, I actually really like Sephora lipsticks, but when other people are getting NARS lip pencils, like lip crayons, and the crayons are this big, this is disappointing. So one of them that I'm really pissed about is the lip cream stain. That, just to give you an idea, that's my finger. That's the lip stain. So if you take the wand out of it, it is from my knuckle to the end of the hand of product. It's also, if you've watched these before, you know this is my pet peeve, it's red. I have received this exact lip stain from Sephora before. Not like, oh no, the other was matte and this is metallic. Oh no, the other was an orangey red. No, it is this red lip stain. So it actually is really good. I used it, I think, in my holiday like red lip video. It's really good, but why do I need 2? Like Sephora, you couldn't do your research? I'm sure you have some sort of very well done database that will let you know, oh, we've given this person this lip stain before. So this will be going in a giveaway. One of you will get this. Once again, it's not a bad product. I actually highly recommend, if you want a cream lip stain that's gonna stay on your lip, try the Sephora one. It's good. It's just a repeat way too early on from Sephora Play. Then my other one was a Sephora Rouge Matte Lip. This one is weird. I put it on today. I'm wearing it, but you can't tell because I put another color over it. So this too, tiny size, even tinier. It starts halfway down. So that's how much product I'm getting. That's it. And it's this really dark looking color, but then it swatches like a translucent magenta. Like you can definitely see through it. So in some ways it's better than I thought, because looking at this, that looked real vampy. And I'm like, we're coming on spring. I don't want to wear dark lips soon. So the fact that it comes out this kind of magenta, little bit better, but still pissed that I got 2 Sephora products when, no joke, people got NARS lip crayons this big. It's not okay. I'm wiping the lipstick off my hand before I get it all over me. Because we know I will. I will. Right. The next product I was excited about. You know, it's one of those things you get in bags all the time, and it is a mascara. But this is the Monsieur Big is the new black mascara from Lancome. And a lot of people on YouTube were raving about this. So I was happy to try it. I'm wearing it today. It's good. It's not life-changing. It's not Maybelline Lash Sensational. You guys, you know that I'm not, if you watch my resolutions video, I'm not allowed to buy mascara until I run out of all of them. Guys, I'm still on the Better Than Sex one. Like, I have so many to go, and now we added another. So, I can't try it anytime soon, but that Maybelline Total Temptation looks really good, and people are raving. So, I'm excited to, you know, in December, try that one. But this is good. Like, I'm happy to have it in my collection. I was excited to try it. It wasn't life-changing the way people talked about it being. I don't expect a mascara to change my life. Okay, then I got two kind of like, all right, products. I got a Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. Essential Eye Cream? Yes. That's what it says under it. So it's this. Now, from here, you think, oh wow, what a decent size. No, can you see that? It stops halfway up and it's rounded. So you don't let this deceive you. You don't get this much. Haven't even opened this yet. Eye cream, nice. It's like a nice gel texture, which I always think if it's kind of that gel, it's got kind of like a barrier to keep moisture in. It's not just going to sink in and that's it. So that's nice, but like, you gave me an eye cream last month too. Granted, it was Pep Start and you got this much of it from Clinique, but like 2 eye creams in a row. Can we mix it up? I'd like to mix it up. And then I got the Hello Fab Ginger and Turmeric Vitamin C Jelly Mask. So it's big size. It says, what's it supposed to do? Well, I mean, it's got vitamin C so that's good. It says you can use 3 times per week, so it must be pretty natural. It does not tell me at all what it's good for. And I left the paper with everything in the other room. I'm sure this is good, fine, but once again, I watched that Sephora Play like reveal that Jeffrey and the other pro artists did on Sephora, and there's some product that when you put it on your face and then you rub it off, it literally peels away the dead skin. I really wanted that. So maybe I'm kind of depressed because I watched all that and now I know what other people are getting, so comparison truly is the thief of joy, but it was just kind of like a wah-wah kind of box. So, not the greatest. However, as I've always said, you do get that 50-point Beauty Insider card to bring in, game the system, buy a $3 lip mask. It has to be a full-size item. So game the system, buy a $3 lip mask and get 53 points. For that alone, and to try some things, I'm okay with it. But that is it for this video. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up. Let me know what you got in your play box or other subscription in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Share this with your friends. And right now you should get suggestions of other videos I think you'd like. So please keep watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.